festivities begin.
Good morning, everyone. I just woke up and I have 1 second to last load of laundry here that I think I need to do. Because the thing is, I have some like cleaning rags that I need to like get washed before I actually use them. And then just some clothes, like my workout clothes, because I only saved 1 pair. The rest are packed. Also, I'm still in my PJs. Like, I could not. I also just woke up, so. Okay, I think I might redo my hair later because this is crazy. Alright, for those of you who wanted a fit check, here it is. Long sleeve is from H&M. Shirt is from Hollister. Jeans are from Hollister, and my shoes are New Balance, and the mask is from somewhere. I just finished my brunch lunch situation. I think I'm gonna head to the gym soon. I'm gonna pull everything out of the dryer early because it's pretty much dry, and then we're gonna change into our gym clothes. And then we'll go to the gym and do another 5K, and then we'll come back. Alright, we're off the bus. I don't think I'm gonna stay and do like the sauna and stuff, because I think I'm gonna hang out with my cousin later today. So we're just gonna go in 45-minute, 50-minute 5K and be out of there.
1 hour later, 2 hours later, 3 hours later.
Can you move it along? I'm all out of time cards.
I just realized it has been a hot minute since I vlogged. I ended up saunaing, showering, doing all the things. I don't think I'm gonna stay and do like the sauna and stuff. I've literally just been sitting at Lifetime because I didn't bring anything except for my phone, my AirPods, and my camera. So I'm now gonna walk to Kava because I'm meeting my cousin there. We're gonna grab dinner. She's not coming for another hour, but I'm getting kind of bored just sitting there. So I might just like go walk around Target or Five Below or... You know what? There's a Marshall's here. Let's go to Marshall's. It's not like I have anything better to do. It's either I go walk and just sit at Kava, or I go to Marshall's and experience my life, you know? Alright, I'll see y'all when we get over there. It's literally right there. So, not too long of a walk. Really good 5K today though, I gotta say. Lifetime's always hit. So, it appears that Marshall's is closed, like fully empty. I guess it's not like a store here anymore. But there's a Five Below, so let's go to Five Below. This is so cool. Maybe we'll pop back in here after I move. That would be really fun. Even like, okay dude, this is crazy, because why are these headphones $8? I mean, I'm sure they're not very good, but like, for example, like, dude, they have AirPod Max dupes. I low-key might pick this up. Not right now, but eventually. Dang, maybe I gotta hit up Five Below more. Wow. Hello. They have freaking mini mics now? Or I should see if they have something I need for my gift. I also did see this toy on TikTok. It's like a blind box slime mixer. No wait, this is cool. Like the fact that they have this and like, whoa. Oh dang, okay. Ain't no way they have freaking rower. Since when has Five Below been so, like, this is a full-on, like, home gym. Pilates powerhouse? I'm in shock. Oh, the Wicked section. Are these supposed to be, like, rubles? This is so nice, honestly. Like, I just love walking around. Oh, Saks Fifth Avenue? Can't afford that store, that's for damn sure. But I'm just gonna walk around for the next like hour. I am now done with this plaza. We're gonna walk towards the restaurant, and then if I see anything, of course I'll go in. Who would I be not to? Alright, we're at Kava. I'm waiting for Sarah to show up, and then we'll order. I got my bowl. Steak, falafel, garlic dressing, saffron rice, harissa, tzatziki, and I think red pepper rice. We're gonna grab now, and I will see y'all very soon. Yo, I was so hungry. Completely finished. I was like starving, because I think I went to the dining hall at like 12.
Why does it look so small?
Y'all, I don't know when I'm gonna try this, but I will be trying this and maybe this. But we got some snacks for tonight because I'm gonna watch a movie probably. All right, we are back in the room. Got my mask. We're gonna start by, luckily I showered at Lifetime, so I don't have to worry about showering. We're gonna start by Swiffering this entire area. I hope my Swiffer stuff is still good. Like, it's still out. And then I think I'm gonna have a vitamin C packet tonight just to make sure I don't get sick because I refuse to get sick. Let's start this deep cleaning process. We're gonna start by organizing things. So like this section behind me right here is very organized because I just packed and everything. And also I will probably just go around the boxes because I just can't. Or I'll put them on my desk. Okay, the dry mop has been done. I'm now going to go through, wet mop the entire room, but I'll Lysol the things on both of our sides, and yeah. Okay, so I am going to try to make this like mocktail, which is our daily strawberry mango. Also, majority of my cold cups were packed away, so I'm putting it in this. And then, we're so smart, my vitamin C packet. Now, obviously it won't be like the entirety of either. I don't love the taste of these on their own, so this would hopefully help with the taste. So I'll stir it up with a straw, add some ice, add some more water, and then I'm gonna taste test this really fast. I don't need a lot of ice considering it's freaking freezing outside. You can taste it for sure, but it's better than flat water with emergency. Okay, I just got a good chunk of editing done. I'm almost done. But I remembered I do have to edit Shireen's essay. So I'm going to read that. Damn, this is long. Okay. I'm going to read this right now. Y'all, this may look to be a hot take, but I love the smell of Lysol. Also, oh my god. I was going to say before I go to sleep, I'll enjoy some of my double chocolate iced cake. But I remembered I haven't had my daily pomegranate yet. So we got to do that. Alright y'all, it is almost midnight and I need to sleep because tomorrow I'm getting up very early. So I'm gonna end the vlog here. Also, update on the strawberry mango emergency sparkling water. It was low-key fire. I'll probably do it again tomorrow. So come back tomorrow. Tomorrow we're actually doing something really fun. We're reacting to old Vlogmas Day 6s. So that one will be really fun. There's some history that we're gonna uncover, and then I'll see y'all back live on Vlogmas Day 7. And you know what? I'm gonna do this now, and then I'll do this on Vlogmas Day 7. I hope y'all will enjoy Vlogmas Day 6-7. Happy 6-7 weekend to you all. I'll see y'all later.